Hey guys, for today I'm going to be trying these Kinder chocolates and these fruit snacks, sweet and sour. Okay, so I'm gonna try the fruit snacks first because it's my first ever time. I never ever had these before. I hope they taste like Gushers because I seriously love Gushers. And here's the packaging. It's like I can't think of it. It's like a rainbow, I guess I would call it. Okay, I'm gonna go for the blue because I love blue. These aren't sour. They're really sweet though. I don't know, boy, don't worry. Here comes red, which would be they're all berry. Okay, that's just chopped, but my dog will eat that. And here comes purple. See, I'm not really a big fan of purple because I don't really like grape and anything. I like grapes, but I don't like the flavor grape. But those are good. I'm gonna actually finish this off. Okay. Next is a Kinder. People have been saying that some Kinders are, my grandma just went to Italy, and so that's where she found them. Look at that. It's milk chocolate. And in the middle, it has this cream. I think the outside is milk chocolate and the inside is white chocolate. Really good. It's really good. I had to weigh on both sides and everything. It's right inside. It's delicious. Sorry, someone texted me. Sorry about that. I could eat these all day, but ow! Is there one out there? No. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye. Dab.